another episode of Module 2. We will be starting off Candlestick Patterns. The first candlestick pattern that I would like to talk to you is Bullish Engulfing. Bullish Engulfing occurs when a green candle completely engulfs the red candle. So if you can see here, there is a small red candle and the green candle has completely covered or engulfed the red candle. There are a few things that you need to take care before entering the trade. First, that there should be a downtrend going on. So if it forms an uptrend, you should probably ignore it. There is a downtrend going on, and somewhere near the support, if a bullish engulfing occurs, it would be the strongest. Next, when do you take an entry? So in the next 2 or 3 candles, if a candle closes above the high of the bullish engulfing candle, then you should probably take an entry. What would be your target? The first immediate resistance would be your target. Not a strong resistance, the first immediate resistance, which should come within the next 10 to 15 candles. If it does not come within the next 10 to 15 candles, there are chances that it probably might not hit the resistance, so you should probably exit the trade with whatever profits you have. Stop loss. What if the trade backfires? What if it does not go up and it starts going down? So you should place a stop loss at the low of the bullish engulfing candle, that is over here, and if it closes below that, you should probably exit the trade. I will show you an example. This is a chart of Lincoln Pharma. If you can see, there was a downtrend going on, and over here there is a clear bullish engulfing that is being formed, and you probably would take an entry above 100 and around 105. And if you see, the next candle has given a closing around 110. So if you take an entry here, you should probably wait for the next 10 to 15 candles or the resistance, and you can probably book it around 200 rupees. Take a note that this is a daily chart, so 10 to 15 candles would probably mean approximately 2 weeks, because each candle would represent a day. If it was formed in an hourly chart, then 10 to 15 hours. If it was formed in a weekly chart, then 10 to 15 weeks, that is candles. So this is bullish engulfing for you. I'll come back with another candlestick pattern in the next video. Keep watching.